फॉसिल फ्युअलाचो वापर कमी करपा खातीर राज्यांत इको फ्रेंडली सायकली वापरांत हाडपाक गोंय सरकारान हिरो सायकलिंग कडेन हात मेळयला. राज्यांत इको फ्रेंडली सायकल स्टँड उबारपाचेर विचार चालू आसा म्हण शुक्रारा मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान मिडियाक सांगला. RDX खातीर पर्वरेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झेल रॉड्रिगीस.
Of creating conditions where environment friendly operations will be encouraged. Now, while I understand this, that environment friendly conditions should be there and everyone wants it, it is not that these conditions can be achieved overnight. For example, when we talk about power, this power which we are using is a thermal based power. So there is some coal burning somewhere. Goa is lucky. We are getting power from outside the state and the pollution is faced by the people somewhere in other states. But we should reduce the dependence on power, particularly thermal power. Same way we should reduce dependence on fossil fuels. आणि म्हणून आम्ही biofuelaचे buses we are promoting, but it doesn't happen overnight. You require a lot of capital cost. These buses are costly. Plus you require a lot of biofuel facility. Same way, the best way to reduce it further is go to the cycle. The 100% perfect is walk.
Correct.
But if you can't do walking because of the distance, try and use cycles. Market on hota cycle over. So what we have done is we are tying up with, through Smart City, we are tying up with, I think it is Hero Cycles. Now yeah, particular project are now they will be operating these and we will only give them places where the cycles can be kept. The concept is cycle will be GPS tracked. It will have a 100% fail-safe locking system. You have to register with them. It is voluntary again. If you don't want, don't register. They have a system by which you can, they are trying to put up at every 300 meters, 250 meters, cycle stands where these cycles can be locked. Okay. You can pick it up at one point, go to any other point, drop it there, the issue is over. And at a time, after you get registered and pay monthly charges, 30 minutes at a time, tanche free matter.
Okay.
So now they are doing a feasibility exercise. Like such cycles across, these are across globe, America, several countries. They have tied with them and they want to start the experiment exercise where people will be encouraged to use cycles, which is energy friendly and environment friendly, and also health friendly.
Correct.
It will improve the health of the citizens. So we are encouraging it. They are now just going into they were just showing me the different kinds of cycles. This has 3 gears. It has it doesn't puncture, punctureless tires. Plus GPS, as I said. There is a basket in the front. It is it can be used by gents and female also. So they the pedal yasa. The material is anti rust. So they will be doing the exercise and maybe we hope in 5-6 months time we'll be able to establish some cycle stands.